Welcome all of you. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the top reasons that cause miscarriage. So let's go ahead. The first one is hyper and hypothyroidism. So what happened actually in this one, in hyperthyroidism there is excess production of thyroid hormones, and that may produce an opposite effect on estrogen. This may start the process of bleeding from uterus and increases the chances of miscarriage. So your thyroidism, you should take care and it should be within limit. And what happened in the case of hypothyroidism, there is a less production of the thyroid hormones. To fulfill the necessary amount, the ovulation is suppressed, and this suppression causes the increases in chances of the miscarriage. So during the pregnancy, the thyroid levels should be, the thyroid hormones level should be in well controlled. We'll go ahead. The second one is the polycystic ovary syndrome or the disease, PCOS or PCOD. In the figure you can see on the left side there is a normal ovary, and on the right side there is a polycystic ovary. In polycystic ovary there are so many cysts will be there. That should not be there. So what happened actually, PCOS produces the resistance for insulin and prevents endometrial lining to become mature. Once the endometrial lining is not mature, that will not be good for the pregnancy, and in this way that increases the chances of miscarriage. For the women who are having PCOS or PCOD problem, they should take care about this and they should take the proper medication. We'll go ahead for the next one, chromosomal abnormality. So mom and dad both are having 23 pair of chromosomes, and during the when the baby is conceived, these chromosomes are mixed or matched together. If the matching is not proper, that causes the miscarriage. If you are having 2 or 3 miscarriage in a row, then you should think about the chromosomal abnormality also, because that is the main common cause of once you get 2 or 3 miscarriages, that is the main cause. So we'll go ahead for the next one. So this is the incompetent cervix. You can see in the figure there is a cervix is shown here, and the muscles of the cervix should be sufficient strengthful so that the hold the pressure of the baby and inside. So in the next figure I will show you that in this figure we can see here there is an open cervix. It is an open cervix, and sometimes the cervix and the muscles are not strengthful, so it may lead to an open cervix condition. So after that, with a doctor consultation, it can be cured. So that is also one of the reason for the miscarriage. The next one is excess use of caffeine. Now caffeine is basically available in tea and coffee as well as in other drinks, and during the pregnancy the caffeine should be in limited quantity. First of all, you should totally avoid the coffee and tea, but if you are further feeling that you cannot resist, you have to drink the tea or the coffee, then consult the doctor. The doctor will tell how much amount of the coffee or the tea you should take for the limited or the prescribed amount of caffeine. Now we'll go for the next one, diabetes. In diabetes, actually, first of all you should control the A1C sugar level, as well as you should do the regular checkups for the blood sugar level. So this is one of the important thing. You should not cross the limits. This is one of the important thing. Now in this lifestyle, it has become very tensed and hectic, especially for the work women as well as the other people for other reasons. So in the pregnant woman should be happy, always happy, and they should away from the tense and hectic life. If the family thinks that they should move from one place to another place so that the pregnant woman may be happy, or she may be away from the tense and hectic lifestyle, they should definitely do it. Now we'll go for the next one, wrong medication. The pregnancy period is one of the important period for any pregnant lady. During that time, for the small diseases like cold, cough, as well as the fever, you should not take the medication by yourself. You should go to the doctor, consult the doctor, and doctor will tell according to your pregnancy, according to your body, which medicines are best suited, and that will not harm the baby, and that will not lead to the miscarriage. Now this one is the cigarette, alcohol and drugs intake. Before pregnancy, you may be using, if you are a cigarette smoker, alcohol or drugs you are taking, that is fine, that is your personal life. But during the pregnancy, cigarette, alcohol or drugs you should totally avoid. And if you continue all these things, definitely there are the major chances of the miscarriages. So please avoid all these things to avoid the miscarriage. Now the health of the pregnant woman is also important. Some important diseases are shown here, like heart disease, kidney disease, blood pressure disease, and uterus related disease. The pregnant woman should take care of all the diseases, and they should take proper medication. We'll go ahead for the other causes are like any mental or physical shock to the pregnant woman, as well as intercourse during pregnancy. During pregnancy, you should totally avoid the intercourse. And the other one is wrong exercise to become fit, or for any other reason you are doing some exercises, you should consult the doctor or proper physician, and then only you should do. Now other one is the fast movement on the stairs. That is also one important thing. Please consult your doctor, that according to your health, the doctor will tell that what type of, whether you should totally avoid the stairs movement also, because for some pregnant ladies the stair movement is totally avoided. So in this video we have seen so many causes that leads to the miscarriage. I hope this will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video, and you may see here the subscribe button. You may subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos, so that you can get the latest update of this channel. Here you can see some other videos related to this channel. You may watch it. Once again, thank you very much.